Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Calendar reminders for LinkedIn follow-up step by step clearly. Open your Google Calendar on your computer or mobile device. In the top left corner, locate and click on the Create button. A new event window will appear. Enter a title for the event, like LinkedIn follow-up with name. Set the date and time for the follow-up. If you want a reminder before the event, look for the notification section. Click on the drop-down menu to set how much prior you want to be notified. You can choose options like 10 minutes, 1 hour, or even a day before. Next, ensure you add any necessary details in the description area. This can include notes about your last conversation or specific points to discuss. To repeat the reminder, click on the Does Not Repeat option. Select how often you want the reminder to occur, such as weekly or monthly. If needed, adjust the event's visibility settings to public or private. Once you have entered all the details, click on Save. If you are on mobile, you may need to click on Done after entering all details. Your Google Calendar will now display this event as a reminder for your LinkedIn follow-up. Close the event window to return to your calendar view. Remember to regularly check your Google Calendar for upcoming reminders. This will help you stay organized and keep on top of your LinkedIn networking efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.